Napakagandang awitin nga naman talaga ng Platters mga idol, but before anything else, konting kaalaman lamang po mga idol. Only You and You Alone by the Platters was released in June of 1955, and this song was written by Beck Ram. This is the group's manager and producer, and Rund. Eto mga idol, pakinggan niyo po.
Can you make all this world seem right? Only you can you make the dark